Traffic.
There, I got him inside.
Tell you a little bit about TCAS, this traffic warning system. As you can see, all of these symbols here, they're all aircraft in our area. So minus is showing below us, it's 3,000 feet below us. This guy, minus 900, is 900 feet below us. Let's see if we can see him. Yep, there he is. That traffic right there. Passing us, and we saw it right there. Now, it wasn't a danger to us, so we didn't get an actual oral alert, but we did get a solid triangle there. A solid diamond, whatever you want to call it. That meant it was nearby. These other ones that are not solid are not a threat at all at this point. This airport out ahead of us, it's 25 miles away, and we're at 11,000 feet. We've got about 9,000 feet to lose, and between here and there, we've got to kind of go around a lot of this traffic between here and there. Still watching all this traffic here. Yeah, so we got traffic over here. We're looking for him outside here. Here's the airport we're going to be landing at. That's Picacho Peak. So that traffic, 1,000 feet below us. You got him.
Traffic.
There, I got him inside. Yep. All right. We got him visually, and we got him here. So you can turn into possible traffic hazard. And some warnings.